out on the water paddling their kayaks and connecting with nature. 7th graders from McCracken Middle School are out Palmetto Bluff in Bluffton taking part in the Outside Foundation's Kids in Kayaks program.
We connect the curriculum here to the science standards of 7th grade because it focuses a lot on ecology and ecosystems. So we want them to learn about the saltwater tidal marsh, the uniqueness of this beautiful ecosystem that they live in. They learn about the Spartina grass, the tides, the birds, the animals that live here, and how it affects their lives, really.
Students took to the water for about an hour and a half, paddling around and exploring with guides. The kids really liked experiencing the ecosystem and learning about local wildlife.
I saw a pufferfish when we grabbed onto the grass. I saw a pufferfish. That's when we learned about the 4 pillars, which is the grass, the tides, bluff mud, and oysters.
We learned about the 4 cornerstones of the salt marsh ecosystem, which is cool, and we learned the strong glass and the oysters that sip up all the water to get nutrients and food.
We saw a ton of the grass. I thought it was really cool, and we found some snails. We learned about the oysters and how much water they can take in and how they eat, and what if you take oil, then kind of makes them die off quicker. So we need to stop polluting the waters so that the oysters can survive better.
Back on land, students are exploring 3 interactive dockside science-based learning stations.
We're going to be having water testing quality, which is they're using science instruments to test the water quality. They're going to be doing dock fouling and organism identification, and they're going to be doing birding.
We learned about how if we could see if when we dropped something in, if we could still see it, and then we learned that the water is very clean, it just looks dirty. And I caught red algae and shrimp.
The students will also be using this nature experience as inspiration for their River of Words submissions. Each year, the district publishes the book filled with student artwork, poems, short stories, and more about the local environment.
The water is just beautiful the way it moves, and that's something to draw.
All district middle schools take part in the Kids in Kayaks program. For the Beaufort County School District, Ramos.